I just hit 200 subscribers, and because I hit it, I'm going to be opening this micro fidgets pack. It has 5 fidgets inside it. So you start off, there's this like little line, and then you like sort of cut it with your nail. And you take off the wrapper. It's quite hard, I've just got a bit here. Okay, I've got quite a lot off. So now I'm just going to go around. I open it, but I want to take off all of the wrapper. So I'm going to do that. This is so hard. I've only got a tiny bit off. I'm just going to do that later, so let's open it. There's 4 surprises in here and 1 here that you pick when you buy it. Ooh. So I got this little fidget. It's really cool. It's orange and red, no, yellow and red. And it works like just the real thing. Now for these ones. Okay. I'm going to take the first one out. Oh, I think I already got this one. Feels like a squishy bear. No, I haven't. It's the squishy pink cat. Now I'm going to open this one. I think this is something that I don't have. Let's see. I don't have this. It's a little mini fidget spinner. Now for the last one. Please say I don't have this. Oh, I think I already have it. I think it's a football, sad times. Oh well. Still really fun. Now let's look on the collector's thing. I wanted one of those. So, you've got the squishy pink cat, the yellow fidget spinner, this fidget, and sadly the football again. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe, because if I get to 300, I'm going to be opening another mystery fidget. Look at its face.